Hey there, Addies and Edettes. Today we are going to be making some infused pad thai. Look at that. Let's go.
Today it is all about the nudes, pad thai noodles that is. You'll want to soak your noodles at least 30 minutes before you cook, and I wanted shrimp and chicken pad thai. I also got some bean sprouts, minced garlic, scallions, crushed peanuts, carrots, limes, and cilantro. And then you're going to have your Simply High Extract CBD Olive Oil, some pad thai sauce, and eggs. With your wok or whatever kind of pan you have, start off with your olive oil. Then begin gently adding in your protein. Cook your protein for about 6 to 8 minutes. You'll also want to season it with some salt and pepper. Once it's all cooked, then you'll go ahead and remove the meat from your pan. Now we're going to be moving on to the veggies. So in that same pan, add your bean sprouts, your carrots, and your garlic. Saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes. I forgot to film me adding THC oil to my wok and cooking the 2 scrambled eggs that I had. So I did that. I cooked my eggs in the THC oil and mixed it all together. Then this is where we get sexy with the nudes. Drop in your nudes. I also added more THC oil there. Add your protein back into your pan. Homemade pad thai sauce is easy to make as well, but I was just trying to do something quick and easy, so I did buy the pre-made pad thai sauce, but it's not hard to make at all. After you toss everything in the sauce, then we're going to go ahead and add the cilantro, crushed peanuts, and the scallions. Now you can cut your heat down and mix all your remaining ingredients together, and voila!
Go. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah. This is a great, quick, and easy recipe.